we'll guide you through how to create a Docker Compose file. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, comment if you still need our help or want to ask something. Second, open your code editor and load your project folder so all of the files and configurations stay organized in one place throughout the setup process. Create a new file named 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘 because this file is used to describe every service your application needs to run together. On the first line, type the word services followed by a colon to begin defining the available services. Next, add your first service, using a name such as web app, to represent your main application. Set the build option to use the Docker file stored in your current project folder, allowing Docker to build the application image directly from your own source code whenever needed. After that, add a port section and map the port, for example, port 3000 on your computer to port 3000 inside the container, making the application available through your browser during development. Now create a second service, using a name such as database, so your database runs in its own dedicated container. Set the database image to a version such as Postgres 15 Alpine, which provides a lightweight PostgreSQL environment. Add a volume section for the database service. Then map the volume to the PostgreSQL data directory so your database files remain safely stored even if the container is removed or recreated later. Next, add an environment section and define the PostgreSQL password so the database has the required credentials when it starts. At the bottom of the file, declare the named volume, for example, database data, so Docker knows to create and manage persistent storage automatically. Save the Docker Compose.yml file after reviewing it for any typing mistakes. Then open a terminal in the same project folder and make sure Docker Desktop is already running and fully initialized before continuing. Finally, run the Docker Compose up command in detached mode to check if your Compose works.